सिद्धांत सरस्वती विजयते गौरी गोष्ठीपति वंदे गुरुपदद्वंद्वं भक्तबिंदसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमयुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरं वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयितगिरिं यत्किपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्तो गुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुन् ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नभविष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरिञ्चनुतं शरण्यं एतात्यहं पुनतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दम् यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गववधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्ति साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरौ द्विजवरौ जुगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गङ्गातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषी कवामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं। वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्जस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदय संवित् त्वं निसिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Jnanataha sulabha muktir bhuktir jagyadi punyataha seyam sadhana sahasrair hari bhakti sudurlava. Jnanataha sulabha muktir bhuktir jagyadi punyataha seyam sadhana sahasrair hari bhakti sudurlava. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagyavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. In course of traveling this infinity Brahmanda, 14 world, or infinity Brahmanda, somehow, if somebody going to meet with some pure Sadhguru Vaishnava, by chance, some exchange, kripa, then that Jivatma can get the way to go to Aprakriti Jagat. Otherwise, no information. Infinity Jivas, they are traveling here and there, taking bath, dying, again taking bath, again dying. Brahmando Brahmiti Kono Bhagyavan Jeev, some lucky Jivas in course of traveling this 14th world, Guru Krishna Prasad, by chance getting some kipa, Bhakti Lata Beach, they can. Jiva Goswami was writing, what is that Bhakti Lata Beach and why everybody not getting kipa? Why particularly that Jeev getting kipa is not getting kipa? Brahmando Kunita Guna Bhagyavan Jeev, Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Beach. Of course, everybody not getting. Jiva Goswami was speaking, Param Satantra Guru Vaishnava, moving here and there, personal interest is not there. By the inspiration of Bhagavan, they are traveling. Like Sukdev Goswami, nobody went to invite Sukdev Goswami. Nobody went to invite Sukdev Goswami. How Sukdev Goswami, he was never informed. But still, Sukdev Goswami coming, traveling all around, coming to Suktal Khetra on time. All by the information of Bhagavan. Mahanto Bhakti, who is Mahanto, Mahanter kaj nahi, pamor tarite, nijo karjo nahi, tobu jan poro ghare, in Bengali. A Mahanto, a great Vaishnava, he has no personal interest, but still, sometime going somewhere, has some reason to deliver somebody. Something is there, otherwise they cannot go. This way Sukdev Goswami reaching that spot. And Parikshit Maharaj putting question this way. So, Bhakti Lata Beach, what do you mean by Bhakti Lata Beach? Guru Krishna Prasade Pai. Why Prasad mane? Kripa. Why this Prasad is available for you, not for me? That is very strange. So many reasons there. Somehow, Guru Vaishnava is not controlled by anybody. Kenapi parama satantra bhagavad bhaktena. Param satantra means, you think they are not following any rules. You don't understand. How Gaurkishore Babaji Maharaj reaching this position, Vamsidas Babaji Maharaj, they are not leading systematic life like us. Their life is this. How is possible? But actually when Krishna Prema developing, I was discussing in Chaitanya Charitamrita, just noon time. Whenever Krishna Prema develop inside your tremendous Krishna Prema, then you are driven by Krishna Prema. Then you are automatically driven by Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema, Krishna Kripa, Krishna Prema can make you dancing. Krishna Prema, Prema can make you cry. Mahaprabhu speaking, Nachi gahi nahi ami upon ichhai. Out of my own desire, I am not crying, dancing, singing. Automatically I am doing. It is the nature of Krishna Prema. They are driven by Krishna Prema. That's why it seems they are completely separate. They are not following any rules and regulations. What Prabodhananda Saraswati Bhatt told now, you can remember. They are totally driven by, if there is on social systems, inside temple some rules and regulations, 12 o'clock you have to sit here, at 5 o'clock go to the Arati. It is all for you. They are driven by prema. They are driven by totally by prema. It seems they are crazy, not crazy. All prema going to drive them. So Jiva Goswami is speaking, Kenapi satantra parama bhagavad bhakto kono ek sadhu. Why and how he is going there? What is the reason behind it? Nobody knows. Somehow he is going to, exchange something. Somehow something happened. Somehow something happened. Suppose you are reaching under a tree, there was some dust, particle, you are going to clean it. You are not a devotee. But you are going to help somehow. Somehow you like to help. Somehow or sadhu speaking something is paying attention. What you speak, Baba? Somehow something happened. And due to that thing, there is some exchange. How unknowingly, that's why that time he can gradually, this can give some momentum, gradually they can develop. Sadhu Sango can never go in vain. In Narad Bhakti Sutra, it is written, Mahat Sangastu Sudurlava. Mahat Sangastu Sudurlava. Mahat Sangha is very, very rare. And Amogo means infallible. Mahat Sangastu, actually rare very, and infallible. Amogo means cannot fail. This way, actually, due to sadhu sangha, somebody can, Brahmanda tarite kono bhagavan jeev, Guru Krishna prasade pai, bhakti lata bij. Bhakti lata bij means some hidden desire. By watching one sadhu, his activities or etiquette is everything, somehow some jivatma developing some secret desire. By watching his activities, everything, by hearing Harikatha something. That is seed. That seed gradually can grow up. Finally can give. Of course, in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written, Bhakti Lata Bij, actually if you put in a fertile land, then it can grow. If some beej is thrown in a very dry land, it cannot grow. Big problem will be there. So in the midway, somebody can make Vaishnava Aparadha, something can destroy. He got, but destroy can be there. That can be. And Jiv Hingsa, Prabhupada used to say about Jiv Hingsa, even after knowing that this is bad for that jiva, this is not good. If I am not going to stop that jivatma to do it, then it is called jivhingsa. Knowingly, one sadhu knowing that he is doing is wrong, totally, you will have to speak. Prabhupada used to say, jivhingsa doesn't mean hingsa related to body only. Related to body is also one kind of hingsa, it's not bad. But Prabhupada speaking, this jivhingsa, this word is actually applicable for jivatma. Because jiv is not the body. Jiv is surely not the body, is matter, prakriti. Jiva is not surely the body only. Jiva is Atma. So, those Sadhguru Vaishnava, like our Gokarnaji Maharaj, anyhow at any cost, he'll have to save that Jivatma. Atmadev Ji already delivered. And now Dhundukari, this condition. So a pure sadhu cannot bear that somebody misguiding, wrong siddhanta vichar, wrong thing. Sometimes we think they are having envious attitude, angry. But Prabhupada many times confirmed, many times he told that if some people out of envious attitude, speaking some heavy to somebody, it's not good. But Guru Vaishnavas, they are bound to criticize. Guru Vaishnava, they are bound to criticize the situation, purposely, to deliver us, to show us what is good and what is bad. They can keep silence, they cannot speak also, like the case of Jadabharat. Jadabharatji Maharaj was so long time was silent, not speaking. This good or bad, not speaking. But suddenly, to bestow kripa on Rahugan, because Rahugan going to Guru Pit, Jogi Guru. Rahugan with palanquin, going to his Guru Pit. He was speaking all rubbish. He is trying, but he is ignorant, no knowledge, speaking all rubbish. Then to deliver that Rahugan, our Badav Jarabharatji was bound to open mouth. He could keep silence, but he opened mouth. So, this way, Prabhupada speaking that some pure sadhu, they can speak heavily, those who are real sadhu, having sampradaya nishtha, guru nishtha, siddhanta vichar nishtha, all they want to clean the sampradayic contamination or impurities. Prabhupada speaking, it is not same like ordinary people. Ordinary so-called sadhu can speak something, can criticize something out of envious attitude, out of jealousy. But those pure Guru Vaishnava, they are not speaking out of jealousy. Prabhupada speaking, they are speaking to rectify the situation. To rectify the situation, they are bound to criticize the situation, somebody. Sukdev Goswami also. He is Paramahansa Sreshto. Sukdev Goswami is Paramahansa Sreshto. He never liked to criticize anyone. But that Sukdev Goswami criticizing. In the beginning of Bhagavad glorification, we have seen. Sukdev Goswami speaking, those demigods, they are very clever. Very clever they are, like businessmen. Sakarje kusala suraha. Sakarje kusala suraha. This is also one kind of criticism. Sakarje kusala suraha. They are very clever. They are very clever to get benefit. They like to come out successful in their own mission. Very clever. Somehow they like to get it done. Very clever. Also, Sukdev Goswami in Bhagavatam, many places you can. Sa Ashtogo, Ashtogo, Sa Ashtogo Kharo. Different kind of. Sa means is a kukur, is a dog, is camel, go kharo, or speaking. For somebody, those who are not paying attention to Harikatha, Kirtan, Bhagavad Katha, Vrindavan Das Thakur says, I can kick on their head. Vrindavan Das Thakur says, I am giving so much evidence, so much praman. If still they are not ready to accept, then I can kick on their head. All they are speaking, but it is not criticism, it is not angry attitude, it is not, jealousy, nothing. They are bound to speak. Papa speaking, they are speaking to rectify the situation. So, somebody can say, you many times told, Para sabhava karmani na prasangsat. You told many times in Harikatha, Para sabhava karmani na prasangsat. You don't try to criticize others' behavior, character, nothing. If you do, big problem for you. Now you yourself doing? No. It is really prohibited. Bonded soul in bonded condition should not criticize others. Because if you criticize somebody, that what is the defect there can come inside you. If you criticize somebody, then you can concentrate or then man. Suppose you are criticizing somebody, so you will have to concentrate on that man. So then, out of jealousy you are concentrating, you become angry, then you can get deviated from bhajan. Prabhupada also told, you have no right to appreciate them. Any bonded soul, big money, big temple, all influence, you have no right to appreciate them. If you appreciate, that appreciation can also arrange your bondage. You cannot criticize or cannot appreciate anybody, because they are in bonded condition. If you try to appreciate also, if you like to appreciate, then also you have to concentrate on this man. If you like to appreciate somebody, some bonded soul, you'll have to concentrate. You'll have to concentrate. After that, then you can. Oh, that man is very nice, he has done this, that, you can. So, to appreciate also you will have to concentrate. That is prohibited. For a sabhavaka. Only for Guru Vaishnava you can glorify. Nothing else. If we glorify Guru Vaishnava, that is not problem. So Prabhupada told, you have no right to appreciate or criticize anybody. It can become a cause of your bondage. Big problem will be there. Big problem. But Prabhupada himself sometimes speaking heavily. They are Sahajiya, don't go there. Why you are criticizing? Prabhupada speaking now. They are Sahajiya, don't go there. It is directly one kind of criticism. Or what else? Criticism. No? But Prabhupada is bound to speak. If Prabhupada is going to keep silent, then all people can go and sacrifice their life there. Prabhupada keeps silence. Okay, let it happen. Then what will happen? Everybody can go there. By hearing their kirtan, Sahaja kirtan, nice. They can go. They can hear them. They can get guidance from them. So Prabhupada became very angry. Very firing way speaking. So it is not criticism, don't think, but in bonded condition, we have no right to do it in condition. Big problem. So now, Gokarnaji Maharaj always try to seek some benefit for everybody. Not for Dhundukari, and not for Atmadev, for everybody. It is the nature of pure. You may think that they have some angry attitude. That is your privilege. But actually, they are not angry. They are bound to speak. If not speaking, people cannot understand. If Prabhupada is going to keep silence, nobody understands this Siddhanta is wrong. What he can do? One famous Acharya, he became famous, not according to the estimation of public, not according to the estimation of Nityananda Balaram. One day he is passing remark that Acharya Abhishek, Gurudev Abhishek, should not be done with Ganga Jal, this, that. After hearing, some disciple of Bhaman Goswami Maharaj is coming to Gurudev. Guru Maharaj, Gurudev cannot be, we cannot make Abhishek with Ganga Jal to Gurudev. But why? Pope Gurudev asking. It cannot be done. With Ganga Jal, milk, doodh, not. The Abhishek cannot be done, Gurudev. Bhaman Maharaj using slang language. Who Haramjada speaking it? Who that idiot speaking this? He now stop, because he is his. Stop. Don't speak that name. Not going to speak that name. Bhaman Maharaj can realize who told. Say just no need of speaking the name. This way, if they are not speaking, if Gurudev cannot give Pratishtha to us, then we can kick out Gurudev and go to some other place where I can get Pratishtha. We need Pratishtha. If Gurudev is unable to give us Pratishtha, then I can go. Gurudev cannot give Pratishtha. Gurudev can never give Pratishtha to you. Gurudev can check you from Pratishtha. To stop your fall down. Of course, Vaishnava Pratishtha when coming, he can allow. So many times I told, a Sadguru always like to make his disciple a guru. He never making any disciple. Prabhupada speaking, a Sadguru never making any disciple. A Sadguru never making any disciple. He is always making guru. Who can reach his lotus feet in true sense from heart, surely Gurudev can make him guru. He cannot make a disciple. But condition is that, if Bhaman Goswami Maharaj cannot give Pratishtha, then disciple all can live and go there. Because they need Pratishtha. They are less interested about, development of bhajan. They only need money and position. Many, countless. Out of 100%, if not more, 99.9% or more than that. They have different kind of desire. They like to come to Gurudev. Though they are originally coming with some idea, or some dangerous people are there, demonic people. They have annavilas, they purposely coming. They are failure in their material life. They are failure in their material life. They could not get material education properly, no service, no business, nothing. Finally they took decision, okay, let me go to temple and stay. And also, maybe it can also happen so. Previously, he came with a good intention. After that, staying in Asasanga, he developed this way. So, Guru Padma speaking heavily, that is also blessing. That is not. People, let them think whatever they like. They think that money is the only thing. Money is the only, scale. Money, pratishtha, everything. So, yesterday, I already discussed that Gokarnaji Maharaj waiting to arrange one nice function, anusthan, so that Jivatma can be freed, This way, Surya Bhagavan Surya Bhagavan speaking, uh, Gokarnaji Maharaj praying unto the lotus feet of Surya Bhagavan. Surya also Bhagavan. Also Bhagavan in Gita told Surya that Vaibhav, all mine, Vibhuti, is called Vibhuti. All main thing. Everything is Bhagavan. But still main thing, potential there, main. So we also say, Surya Bhagavan ki. Actually Surya Bhagavan means Suryanarayan Bhagavan. Suryanarayan Bhagavan. So anyway, and Surya Pranam we also, Surya also. Java Kusuma Sankasana Kasapiyam Mahabdutim Dhantyaring Sarva Papagnam Panotosmi Divakaram. This is the pranam mantra of Surya. Every day morning you will have to pay pranam. Every day. After giving tulsi, water, you can get some power through Krishna. So, Tubhyam Namo Jagat Sakshina Bruhime Mukti Hetukam. What do you suggest? Please, you suggest something so that I can make free this Jivatma, I can make Jivatma free from this condition. Tat Shrutva. Suryadev can hear from that distance. You can say, how? Suryadev is there? Lakhs of miles away. Ah, yes, you can see. They have Jog Siddhi. They can hear. It is a Jog Siddhi. If from long distance somebody is singing from thousands of miles away, they can hear. They can see everything. So, Tobhyam Namo Jagat Sakshina Bruhime Mukti Hetukam Tat Shrutva Durataha Suryo Sputam Itti Abhashataha. After hearing this, Surya Bhagavan, after hearing this, very lightly, very slowly speaking. Srimad Bhagavatat Muktihi Saptaham Bachanam Kuru. You arrange Bhagavad Sapta Pravachan. I mean Harikatha, 7 days Harikatha function you arrange, then the problem will go over. And all other problem, already there is some special arrangement for those are dying unusual death. Like somebody killed someone, unusual death. The grandfather of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, previous home, they already made one staircase, thousands of staircases up to Pret Gaya. Those who are normal dead, those who are dying normally, for them you can pay funeral cake unto a lotus feet of Vishnu Charan, Vishnu. Lotus feet of Vishnu, where Gauranga Mahaprabhu went. Where Gauranga Mahaprabhu went, then you can. But those who are abnormal death, like hang to death or something happen, then you will have to go to that another place is there, remote place. Remote place. You have to go to remote place, no man there. By chance if you met late, then big problem. All ghosts there. All ghosts all around. The ghosts are waiting to get delivered. Then man can go up and up. They are written. Kedarnath Datta, they are family members who grandfather, and name. We made that staircase. Very rich man. Later on they lose all property. Inner. Pret Gaya, it is called Pret Gaya. This is Pret Gaya special case. If you offer funeral cake to them, specially those ghosts are there. They are there. In Rajasthan, there is one Hanuman temple. This is arrangement in Goya. In Rajasthan, while you are going to Jaipur through bus route, there is one Hanuman temple, big Hanuman, very famous. those people, they are going to give something, offer prasadam to Hanumanji, and after that, the prasadam, they are going to keep in the rooftop in the name of that Jivatma. All around, ghosts. Mane, thousands of ghosts there all around. If somebody going to collect that prasadam from top and give you, you can die. That is the uchista of ghost. This way all sabbath is going there. Thousands of ghosts all around. So, if somebody giving anything to without any information, don't try to accept it at all. Be careful. Now this kind of thing going on all around. Because they cannot come front to front, they are doing this kind of stuff. Like our Tarun Prabhu was big influence. Some day ago, I also cannot remember what problem. Somebody makes something and Tarun Prabhu become weak. Then I again arrange, now okay. So this way, this kind of thing going on everywhere. They cannot allow Jivatma to do Hari Bhajan. They cannot help, also they cannot allow them to get help from others. So, Srimad Bhagavatat Mukti Saptaham Bachanam Kuru. Iti Surya Vachaha Sarvair Dharma Rupam Tu Visrutam. After hearing, because Surya Bhagavan is a symbol of Dharma, because all morning time everybody going to give water, flower, is a symbol of Dharma. Sarve Brahman Prayatnato Kartavyam Sukaram Tu Idam. Really what Surya Bhagavan going to speak, we should follow it. Nice. Gokarno, he also finalized. Yes, I can do. Gokarno Nishchayam Kritva. Gokarnoji Maharaj take final decision. Kritva Bachanartham Pavartitaha. He was ready. Tatro Sangsravanarthayo Deso Gramat Janaha Yajuhu Pangu Andho Briddho Mandascha Teopi Papa Khayayo Boy. All, some are blind, some of them layman, crippled, some of them old, cannot move, but all they are coming. All they are coming to hear Harikatha, to cut all their sinful, whatever they have done, to get Mangal, they are all coming. Tatro Sangsavanarthayo Deso Gramat Janayayuhu Pangu Andho Briddho Mandyaschotiyopi Papakshayayo Boy. To cut their amangal and to arrange mangal of all their coming. And who can speak Harikatha? Samayantu Mahanuyatu Devo Vismayakarakaha Jadai Avasam Asthayo Gokarno Akatayo Katham. Je Sakole, Je Kale, when Gokarnoji, the time when Gokarnoji took that Vyasasan, sitting on the Vyasasan, Utkishta Vyasasan, and started speaking Bhagavad Katha. All demigods there in the heaven, they also stand. Gokarnoji is very powerful, very important. Gokarnoji's Harikatha is the third assembly of Bhagavad Katha. First assembly was there, where? in Shuktal Khetra. Second was arranged in Naimis Aranya. And the third at the bank of Tungabhadra Nadi. Samayanto Mahanayato Devo Vismayakarakah Jadayava Samasthayo Gokarna Akathayu Katham. When started speaking Harikatha, then even demigods get down. So powerful son. Because his birth was not normal. There is so many, commentary, so many on this Bhagavad, many commentaries are on this. Glorification also, commentaries are there. Some speaking, Gokarnaji is not ordinary man. Gokarnaji took birth first from the womb of Gomata. Inside Gomata, Bhagavan is staying. We know Glorification of Gomata book I wrote. It is already translated for 5-6 years, but no time to edit. If you edit it, then you can understand. Inside Gomata, in Veda it is written, Gomata, inside Gomata, all Bhagavan, all everybody is staying. Inside Gomata. And this Prithvi, this earth, in Veda, it is written. I already quoted there. Prithvi took the form of Gomata. You can remember Prithu Maharaj, how wanted to milk. So Prithu Maharaj, actually, Prithvi, this earth, is a symbol of Gomata. Or Gomata is the symbol of Prithvi is the symbol. It's giving everything what you need. So, this way, Gokarnaji actually started speaking. And when started speaking, all demigods become very surprised. How powerful. First of all, Gokarnaji Maharaj is not ordinary man. They are also speaking that sannyasi was not ordinary. Some commentary somewhere is speaking. That sannyasi, why suddenly that sannyasi appeared? When Atmadevji want to commit suicide, suddenly a sannyasi appeared there. After giving fruits, disappeared. Somebody speaking, Bhagavan himself came in the form of that. Bhagavan himself came. Somebody is speaking. So if Bhagavan going to give fruits, so it cannot be ordinary fruits. As a result, Gokarnaji came. Sukdev Goswami is not ordinary. He is the son of Vyasadeva Goswami. Externally, not ordinary man. So Gokarnaji Maharaj is not ordinary. That's why demigods, they are surprised to see the power of demigods. Now point is that all village men from long distance, they are coming to take seat in the assembly to hear Bhagavad Katha. By where that ghost can say? Ghost body is air body. If they are standing, air coming, can go here and there. Where can stay? Sa preto opi tadayataha sthanam. That ghost also reaching the spot. That ghost also reaching the spot where the Harikatha. Pasyan itas sataha. That ghost watching where to stay, how to stay. How I can get stability to hear Harikatha. So finally what happens? He was allowed to stay in a bamboo having seven knot. Bamboo, this way, after that knot. This is all one kind. It's called git. In Bengali and Sanskrit, git. So, saptaho granthi yuktam tatra pashyat kichakam uchritam. That a ghost saw one, bamboo piece, very nice, and seven, seven part. There is some joint. That is called joint, you can say. Seven joint. Is something, this one, after that joint, after that is joint, after the joint. Bamboo is full of joint. Bamboo full of joint. So, he took shelter under that. Tat moolam chidram avishat savanartham sthito hi asau. That a ghost took advantage because nearby bamboo. He immediately took that advantage. He entered into, there was some hole, entered the ground and say here, Tat moolam chidram avishat savanartham sthito hi aso. Then that ghost said, now is comfortable place, I can go on hearing, because bhatu rupi sthitam kartum ashakto bangsham avishat. Because due to air blow, the ghost here, the air blow, go there. Again air blow here. So it is good arrangement he is going to make. Tat moolam chidram avisho savanartham sthito hi aso bhatu rupi sthitam kartum ashakto bangsham avishat. After that what happened? Brahmanam, Vaishnavan, Brahmanam. Those who are Vaishnavas, those who are Brahmanas, those who are men, those who are hearing men, sotaram parikalpacha, this way. Suppose somebody hearing is the main man who is going to hear. So main man hear who? That ghost. So after that, it is a system. If you find any picture, Sukdev Goswami speaking, you can find first of all, Parikshit Maharaj sitting, first of all. After that, all Rishi Manis, after that, Brahman, Vaishnava, according to grade of honor, they are sitting. So, Vaishnavam, Brahmanam, Moksham, Sotaram, Parikalpacha. So according to grade, they are sitting. Gradually. First of all, Vaishnavas should be given first priority. After that, Brahmanas, they should be given second priority, third. All Mukha Sotaram, Parikalpacha, this way. And first skandha, Pathamo skandataha pashtam akshanam dhenujo akarat. Gokarno, actually to be frank, actually who is the man? Who is the man who is hearing Harikatha? Who is man? Actually the ghost is man. But still, ghost is ghost. Still ghost is ghost. He cannot be given any honor. Follow. I already told, man listener who is going to hear men, for whom? That is a ghost. But ghost has no body. He cannot be given honor right now, when he can come a successful action. So, Gokarnaji, act one Brahman Vaishnava. Vaishnava means Brahman. He was given first priority to sit. He started glorifying from first can. Follow what it. Ghost should be given to sit in the main asana. Because for him, Harikatha going, but still ghost is ghost. We cannot give honor to ghost right now. So, Gokarnaji Maharaj arranged one Vaishnava, very nice. He is sharing. It is a system, very honorable Vaishnava, Brahman, sitting in front, and ghost is there, hearing. inside a bamboo. And Gokarnaji Maharaj started explaining Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran, first canto, first loka, Janma dasu yatu anmayat itaratas chvarthesu savik gasarat tene brahma idajo adi kavaye mayhanti yasurayu tejo vari mida yatha vinimayu. This way went on. So first canto is over. Pratham skanda is Svatya Vyakavan. When the Harikatha is now paused, going to stop, because Bhagavad Katha system, all Harikatha is like this. What Gokarnaji Maharaj approved. Mane, Sona. Actually, Sukdev Goswami, it was a special case. It was special case, whole day and night continuously. Non-stop marathon Harikatha. Marathon Harikatha. Follow. So here, Harikatha was stopped. Dinante rakshita gatha tada chitram babhubaha. When the first day Harikatha, first canto explanation was over, then one strange thing happened. What is that? Bangsaika granthi bhedo abhut sasabdyam pasyatam satam. All sadhus sitting, suddenly when the Harikatha stopped, then one joint break, part, big sound, part. What happens? One joint part. Because that host now going to the second step. First, he has so many granthina or locking inside. So first locking, broken. Follow. First locking, broken. Dinante rakshita gatha tada chitram babhuvaha bangsaiko granthi bhedo abhut sasabdam pasyatam satam. All people hearing part, one sound. Okay, nice. Second day Harikatha, again starting in the morning time. Ditiye ahani tatha sayam ditiyo ganthi bhedanam. Second day, second skando, or second canto, not that, maybe, because within 7 days, if you like to complete whole Bhagavatam, it is not even possible to follow one day, one skanda. Not possible. I told to some devotees, so many devotees, wanted to ask, I tell, if you give me 12 years, I am going to live more 12 years, then each year I can take daily, each year, one skanda. And 12 years I can complete, or maybe I cannot complete, who knows. Bhagavad is so vast thing. So, here I cannot give guarantee that the first day was reserved for only first canto. I cannot say. Who knows? Because you are not going to jump, how you can complete? But days is only 7, canto is 12, but a vast chapter. So, Ditiya Ahani, second is Tatha Sayam, Ditiyo Ganthi Bheda. Second day, in the evening time, when the Harikatha is going to stop, the second joint broken up. Titiye Ahani Tatha Swayam Titiyo Ganthi Bhedanam. Third day also, second day Katha was stopped. Third day was also started, morning time and going to stop evening time. Then also the third joint was broken. What happening, who knows? But Gokarnaji can realize, from down he is going, first he has a locking inside her, first locking broken, second locking broken, third locking broken. Vidyate hidaya ganthi chiddante sarva sankshaya khiyante chasva karmani drishta nivatmanishwari. Bhagavad Gita Mahaprabhu saying, Vidyate hidaya ganthi. Unknowingly there is so much locking inside. But sadhu can keep, cut, tuck, tuck. So this way, evam, this way, After 7 days, Harikatha is over. Evam sapto dinaschaivo saptaganthi vibhedanam. In the 7th day, similarly, the 7th joint was broken. Kritva sadado skando sravanam pretotam jahu. That spirit who is now having this kind of yoni, pret joni, ghost joni, is not going to left. After hearing, after 12 canto, Kritva sadadu saskandho sravanat pretotvam jahu, he is now going to cut this problem, ghost journey, cut, completely free. Completely he is now free, and what happens? A miracle happens. Miracle happens. What happens? But that ghost took the form like a Vaikuntha parcel. Dibbo rupadharu yatot tulusi dama manditaha Pitabasa ghanasyamo mukuti kundalanita. Suddenly, he was so much concentrating unto a lotus feet of Krishna that because if you need, suppose you are hungry. I give one example. Suppose you are very hungry. For 7-10 days you are not eating anything. If somebody giving some fruit and what you can do? You can start eating. Similarly, the goat is waiting for a long time. He is feeling so much pain. He is a needy. He is a needy, na? Actually, what is the pain? He can realize. You cannot realize. In our childhood, we gone through one poem. One writer, Bengali, writer speaking. If some snake biting you, then you can only understand the pain, what is pain. Other people can show you some, you are pain, but not like that. To whom a snake biting, only he can realize the pain. Other people can be some philosophy. Cannot realize. Similarly, Dhundukari was needy, because by now he could realize what is my condition. He was a needy, he is crying, I don't like to do anymore. Enough of it. If somebody deliver me, my God. Aham bhata todiyosmi dhundukari tinamataha sakiyannaiva dosena brahmatvam nasitam maya. I am your brother. My name is Dhundukari. Now I am taken in this condition. Due to my own activities, you can say. Mamuddhara daya nidhe is now crying and speaking this. So, that's why Dhundukari is hearing from with full condition, with full attention. Dhundukari concentrating unto the lotus feet of Bhagavan, Vishnu. Because who is speaking Harikatha? Many things I can discuss here. What is the result of this Harikatha? What is the final result of this Harikatha? Everything depends upon who is the speaker. Every point I can speak. Everything depends on who is the speaker. According to that you can get power. Not that everybody can speak. That's the main thing. Now, Dhundukari, he is concerning lotus feet. So he is getting the dress of Vaikuntha Parshad now. Dibbo rupadharu yatos tulsi dama mandita. Anyway, the whole, remember, don't forget, the whole Harikatha was dedicated to whom? Jivatma. And Gokarnaji is speaking. Mahabhagavat is speaking, and Gokarnaji took resolution. Well, I can arrange Bhagavad Katha. I can give all the result to that ghost. Many times I have done it. So many things. So many times, not one time. All Govardhan Parikrama, Churasi, I keep in the name of somebody. Many times, not one time. I am sitting in Vyasasana. I cannot speak lie. Many times I have done. In the name of Bhaman Goswami, purposely, they are elevated. Who am I to do? But I requested them to stay more. Tirtha Maharaj also. All for different. I used to come after Parikrama and take my skirt head and taking some Ganga Pani or Jamuna water, and I offer in the name of that Jivatma. That ghost also in Delhi. I give in the name of all. Whatever Parikrama fall, whatever fasting, dham. Same thing happened with Vaikhanus Goswami Maharaj. Vaikhanus Goswami Maharaj, one day he was going through one place, somehow he was late. He could not reach home. He was, night time, what to go? Because very darkness there, village area. Somehow he is going. This big Pandit, Raj Pandit, is going to ask one man there in the village. Where to stay now? Now night time there, I cannot go. And the poor man has no sufficient arrangement. The poor man by chance told that room is back, that building is vacant. Anyhow, you can clean it and you can stay night time. So idiot, that man not speaking that there is ghost. How dangerous people are. Maharaj going there, somehow some small Pradeep, oil and Pradeep used to stay with him. Oil and Pradeep, like so he used to enter the room on the lamp, oil lamp, and going to clean, going to read, and going to sit and doing bhajan. Suddenly he is feeling something there. Oh, dum, dum. What is there? Finally he could realize there is one evil spirit. Then evil spirit took his form in the night time, 12 o'clock over. I can kill you. Speaking to whom? Vaikhanus Maharaj. That time Vaikhanus Maharaj was not Vaikhanus Maharaj. At home. He was a nice Brahman. Vaikhanus Maharaj asking, why you can kill me? Why you can kill me? What I have done to you? Any wrong I have done? So that you can become angry and kill me? No, I can. Why you can kill me? I am also Brahman. It seems you are also Brahman, Brahmadaitya. Somehow you took this form. So, what is the way out? I like to deliver you. Deliver? Yes, I like to deliver you. Is there any way? You suggest because you can see anything. Brahmadaitya is not ordinary Brahman. The ghost was Brahman. Somehow abnormal death. The ghost saying, well, if you can give the result of such Ekadasi, one Ekadasi, if you can give me the result of only one Ekadasi result, if I give, you can get? Yes. How Srila Vaikhanus Goswami Maharaj used to do Ekadasi, you know? You don't know. Vaikhanus Maharaj, I already told you. Maharaj used to stay this way, whole night chanting Gayatri, and 5 lamp, 2 lamp here, oil lamp, 2 lamp here, 2 lamp in hand, and 1 lamp in head. If while going to finish, somebody can watch and put. Cannot speak anything. And whole day fasting, not fasting. The day Ekadasi is due, previous day is one time prasadam. The day of Ekadasi, full fasting, And the day after Ekadashi, taking one time prasadam again. And water also limited. So you understand. This way he used to observe Ekadashi whole night. Brahma Gayatri. Anyway, he was very powerful Brahman. Very powerful. Srila Bharati Maharaj used to say that Vaikhanus Maharaj, only you need to speak that day Yajna will be there. What Yajna, why? He can come, all arrange, he can make one list, all given. Bharati Maharaj used to say he can sit for Yajna. He can only sit for Yajna. He can go on speaking, continue, because he is habituated from childhood, boyhood. He need not consult books. Continuously, there is that. So powerful. This way, the ghost was given the result of one Ekadashi Vrata, taking this journey, taking water, particular date, nice tithi, going to keep. In the name of that ghost. Miracle happened. Doom, one sound. After that, that ghost gone outside that building and gone. Ghost is delivered. Now, no idea. So, those who are powerful sadhu, those who have no, you can test them. You have your power to test. Those who have no jealousy, very lovely. For any jivatma, I like to save them. Because sadhus, they are very merciful, na? Very merciful. Even Sivananda was so merciful, he wanted to deliver one dog. And Mahaprabhu approved it. The dog was delivered. Dog! Come on! One dog going to Mahaprabhu. Dog was delivered by Mahaprabhu. You see. It is the nature of sadhu. A sadhu cannot bear. They never become angry. Why people are being misled? Why people are being misled? Why people are not getting right information? They never want any donation, anything. They never ask, give me donation. They can give forcefully and cannot give. That is up to them. They never expect anything. So they are only out of their mercy, causeless mercy, they are this way. So, after that, Dhundukari coming out of his problem and taking the form of Vaikuntha Parsad, Dibbo Rupa Dharu Yatos Tulasi Dama Mandita Pitabasa Ghanasyam Mukuti Kundalanita. His cloth was like Krishna, golden, like fire. Pitabasa, Ghanasyam. Body also like the color of Vishnu. Mukut is their crown. And Kundal also there. First of all, Dhundukari coming out of this ghost journey, taking this form, first of all, he is coming to pay infinity gratitude unto the lotus feet of this Guru. Guru, who? Gokarnaji Maharaj. Nanam bhataram sadhu gokarnamiti chavabrit taya aham mochito bandhu kripaya peto kalmasat. I was under a big trouble. Oh, nobody was there to save me. I was under this. So I now pay pranam. Nanam bhataram. Immediately, first duty, coming and bent unto a lotus feet of Gokarnaji Maharaj and speaking, Nanam bhataram sadhu gokarnam iti chavabrit. Taya aham machito bandhu kripaya peto. Dhundukari, when speaking to Gokarnaji Maharaj, you are my friend. Vaishnavas are friends, they are not enemy. But miracle, whole world thinking he is enemy. Because of speaking absolute truth. How miracle? They cannot think. What is sacrifice? People going away, they are not taking any money from anybody. If at all forcefully give him, okay. And use in Gosala. So, Kripa, so you have, I am ever grateful to you. It is you who helping me to come out of this ghost journey. I am ever grateful to you. What to you? Dhanya Bhagavati Vartva Peto Pira Vinasini. Bhagavati Katha from right source should be given priority. Very good. But the speaker should be real sadhu, not businessman. Be careful. And Bhagavati Katha. It can destroy the pain of all ghosts. Of course, if some sadhu going to do, then ghost can get free in the name of that. So, nanam bhataram sadhu gokarna miti chavabrit taya aham machito bandhu kripaya preto kasmalat dhanya bhagavati varta preto pira vinasini saptahopi tatha dhanya krishna loko phala pradaha. If one's right speaker, Sadhu Mahabhagavat, speaking Bhagavad Katha, and only for 7 days, somebody hearing, that also can solve all problems. 7 days. Full Harikatha to. What to speak about? Even 7 days. So, up to now, I like to stop here. Jnanataha sulabha muktir bhuktir yogyadi punnataha Shreyam sadhana sahasrair haribhakti sudurlabha vanchakalpadurus. Kipasindhu vavachapatitanam.